Say hi, John B.
Half a day.
And Warren.
Half a day.
I'm so excited. This is my first boat cruise. I've always wanted to go on one. Like,
It's your first boat cruise?
yeah, it's my first boat cruise.
This is my second boat cruise.
Well,
First one around the channel.
doesn't count. Boat cruise is dope. I'm so excited because I already know it's gonna be fun and I just want to jump off already.
Watch, there's gonna be a sharktopus out there.
I really want to see that.
If I see dolphins, I'll be like, I'm gonna talk to the dolphins.
Are you gonna be like, what? I'm so excited! And shout out to Asia's parents.
The boat actually comes at 1:30.
No, but that's a good strategy for everyone.
My Andrew said it for everybody to come early. The boat comes at 1:30.
And we're here at 12. We got here at 12:10.
Oh gosh, we are early. I didn't even realize.
Just look at my hat. My hat.
Oh, matching.
It's pink. And
Mine's
bedazzled.
great. Mine's great. It matches your camera. Oh, you.
Hi, Mel.
This is Jared. How do I know if it's on though?
What do you gotta do it like?
Hey! This is my boy Mac. As you can see, I can't put my hand around him, but you know.
You want to say hi to my vlog? Going on YouTube.
Who am I saying hi to?
My vlog.
Hi vlog.
It's actually kind of cloudy and rainy today. I hope it gets sunnier.
Yo, that guy's lit, bro.
Alright guys, this is my YouTube video about taking my boy out right here. Taking my girlfriend right here. And taking my boy Dino right here. Check him out, What's up guys? Woo! You know who it is. My friend right there, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, what's up everyone? It's DC on the video right now. My boy Mac over here. Woo! Oh yeah, look at the water.
It's my boy Jared. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This mango is like really good. It's like sweet and sour. So we're just eating now. We already went swimming, but I didn't record anything. You didn't record us swimming yet? Yeah, I was enjoying it too much.
Jared. Yes, sir. Alright. What up? Hey! Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Holy boy, but not so holy.
Guys, something really funny happened. Asia's uncle asked me to hold his drink while he did something. I literally, he grabbed it and then I went to quit and I was about to say thank you. So I was putting his grape in my mouth and then when I said thank you, the grape fell out and then it rolled off the boat.
No, what is he gonna do? Dive for it?
That's gone.
It's gone.
You know that was $25, right?
That's messed up.
Bro, you just lost this goal. Pull that flip. Cheers.
Go jump! Why can't we Guys, I can't fit!
You're a player, aren't you? And I bet you got hoes. I said, you don't know me like that. I just go with the flow. She said, you can't fool me like that.
What's up, dude? How's it going? It's August 27th. Oh! Look at the dolphin, bro.
Leave me on red. I said, why don't you try me on out? I know you wanna be friends.
Big Mac going away party. Maybe in 2 weeks. Don't make me sad. I might see you there. Send you off, bro.
At the airport?
Yeah.
I know you. I find out tomorrow.
Zenvia, right? That's her tag?
That's her tag.
Zenvia.
Hey, look at these dudes.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh! Round 3 on your back flip, bro.
Later. I need a break.
Okay, this is my. Oh! It's me and Warren's part. The vlogs. We're here chilling.
Welcome back to my tutorial. Vlogmas Day 15. You make
Oh, that's cold, bro.
feel like it's Christmas.
Say what's up?
Vlogmas Day 15.
Dude, it's cold. Sorry. We talked about my whiteness.
The only place I have is in my. That made my ears hurt. Oh, there goes. He just died. He's not coming back. Yo, what up, gang? It's Lauren Ortega. You make every day. I was gonna take a selfie. Selfie.
Lauren is gonna Superman.
That was not Superman.
The gang over there. This guy is up here. Kind of antisocial, awkward. You can name it all. That's why his name's Sinir. Goes, yes, sir. Oh, shit. Hi, guys.
I'm sorry.
Look at this guy, put it on his diapers.
Yo, it's Tino taking over the vlog. Here, my girlfriend, Jared. Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's what happens when you let a child take over the vlog, chalo. Misbehave, right? Misbehave.gu, so like that.
Check out
Right here.
Guam Paintball
Right
Junkie
here. Guam Paintball Junkie.
on the IG, the Facebook.
Check out Jared from GU.
Guys, my phone. My GoPro's gonna die soon, so I'm gonna do an outro just in case I can't do one. Go, Mark. Go. Oh, shit. Are you okay? Edit that out. I'm ready.
Sleepovers turn into love. Love turns into jealousy. Now we won't fall, girl.
You good?
Stuck in the middle of lovers and friends, and we're losing every part of the benefits. You hurt me more than I ever knew, but it's shitty 'cause I'm doing the same thing to you. She said, are we exclusive or not?
Like us, subscribe. Like and subscribe. Hey, watch this.
I said, what do you wanna do? Seems like you love me a lot. She said, can we stop the joking and tell me
What's happening?
We're gonna go on
Who's recording?
what? No! I said,
Thank you guys for watching. But look how pretty. Oh, by the way, this is a boat.
I love Jesus Christ. Automalik Guam.
Anything else?
You make it. Oh my gosh! This song!
maybe